This is Winifred Sanderson. She likes to stay away from all the other geese most of the time. But these are the ducks that love to escape out of my temporary fencing. I will be putting up a more permanent fencing, one that can go into the river so that they can't go past the river, even though that is technically our land over there. I don't want them wandering in the woods where predators will for sure pick them up. I missed you being funny. I missed you being funny. Oh, Chopsticks, you should do it again. Hey there, boy. See your ladies following you. Oh, and there's the other lady. Hey, Chopsticks.